So, do you often eat fast food?
No, not at all. I sometimes have a burger for lunch, but I usually eat a salad. And you?
Me neither. I rarely eat fast food. I go to Skippy's Diner about 2 times a month. I really love that place.
Ah, Skippy's. Me too. What is your favorite thing there?
I'm crazy about their fried chicken sandwich. It's so delicious.
Oh, that is a great sandwich.
How about you?
I really love the sweet and spicy chicken wrap.
Yes, that is so tasty.
They have many different sauces for dipping your fries. So many great flavors. Sweet, spicy, sour, and salty.
I usually get a salad. I will try them next time.
I recommend it.